Hello everyone, this is a presentation of assignment of BDAT1007. This course is social data mining techniques. Our professor is Rick Lambruth, and my name is Zhang Hongchang. So let's see the assignment 2 requirement of it. Basically, we ask us to use programming language that I choose Python to do social media API. So the deadline is 25th of February. As for the first assignment, this assignment, first it will build up an API which can grab information from social media. So that I choose Twitter and Reddit. So it can scrape information from the social media and store it into a remote cloud database. So let I choose MongoDB. Then through the API, I also can post something from the HTML. So okay, so let's see tools I used. The first language I choose Python, and the framework I use Flask. Package I use as to Reddit I use Prowl, and to the Twitter I use Tweepy. And the IDE I use Visual Studio Code. The database I choose MongoDB. The data model of Reddit include ID, author name, title, and text. And the Twitter part include ID, user, retweet count, and favorite count. Also language and source. Let's see the Cloud MongoDB database. I already built an assignment, a social media mining database, and there are two collections. One is Twitter and the other one is Reddit. So currently, in fact, is totally empty because in China I cannot access to MongoDB database now, but I designed to it's designed to store the information into two collections, and also I will try to finish it if I get any method to fix the VPN. Or in fact, it's country firework problem if I get chance to fix it. Okay, see, that's the web application I built. One is for Reddit. When you input the title and content and press submit button, it will post to Reddit. And the other one is for Twitter. The same, when you press submit, it can go to the Twitter, it can post to Twitter. Of course, because in fact, I cannot access to Reddit and Twitter API, so currently I just can show how this web application look like. I cannot just show how to use it. Okay. There are three Python files. The first one is Reddit scraper. I use Prow library and also use PyMongo. As you can see, I already applied for the Reddit developer account, so it gives me client ID and secret. Then I also use password and username and agent to get information from Reddit. For these informations, I will get information from all these things in the Python section, and then store it into the MongoDB using this connection string. So the second one is Twitter scraper. The same with Reddit. Actually, I use 3P library, and the same as Reddit, I use Mongo client, and also I will store all my information into my secret because I haven't get the token and developer account from Twitter, so I just write all the thing here. Then when I get access to token, then I will change everything to detailed information. So here is almost the same with the Reddit. I got information like ID, text, retweet count, favorite count, language, and source. Then I can store everything into my MongoDB database. Okay, so the third one is social media API. Okay, I use a framework Flask. So you can see I also use the this information. As I mentioned, I haven't changed it. Also, the Reddit developer, I think it's a token, no token. It's Reddit developer information. Then I create 3 web application. It's the first one. So I can choose post to Twitter or post to Reddit. So the second one is post to Twitter. So every time when I post to Twitter, I can collect new the all information here, then insert to the MongoDB. The same with the Reddit. Every time when I post, I can get the all information and insert to the collection Reddit. Also, I use a random template, so I can show that how it look like. Oh, okay. It's a poster to Reddit, and this one is posted to Twitter. Lastly, I had to apologize that because currently in China, I was strained by the national firewall, so I cannot access to any social any Western social media like Twitter, Facebook, and in Instagram and so on. And also they have very strict API application limitation. So Actually, I cannot use any one API of them. So but I still thinking of other ways to finish this assignment. I hope I can get some opportunity, get an extra chance to finish it. Thank you so much.